you wish to learn the 12-bar blues playing up the neck on the ukulele, stay tuned for the lesson. Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the ukulele. In this video I am using my Peace Fretted Instruments tenor ukulele, but concert's fine, soprano's fine, banjo uke is fine. In fact, A, D, F sharp, B is fine. If you're in that tuning, you'll just be in a different key to me, but these techniques will work. So in this video I'm going to show you how to play an easy version of the 12-bar blues playing up the neck. So let's get started. So if you haven't seen the 3 previous videos a couple of weeks ago now, I was showing how to play up the neck using the G, the C and the D chord. But in this video, with a little bit of knowing one chord and how to move it up and down the neck, you'll be able to play a version of the 12-bar blues. So let's get started. We'll be using only the G shape, the golf shape. When it's at the 2nd fret, that's these 2 fingers at the 2nd, we're in G. Okay, G, 2nd fret, G. If we slide it up to the 7th fret, so these 2 are now on the 7th, that is C. These 2 fingers at the 7th, that is C. And if we slide it up to the 9th, these 2 fingers at the 9th, that is a D. 9th is D, 7th is C, 2nd is G. I will write somewhere on the screen these just in case you don't pick it up from my voice. 2nd fret, G. 7th fret, C, 9th fret, D. So it's Delta, Charlie, Golf. Like I've said in previous videos, we are playing a basic 12-bar blues. There are many variations of it. I've just chosen this one because it's the easiest one to explain to people in a video lesson like this. So I will put the name of the chords on the screen. Okay? So you start off with 4 bars of G. So that's the 2nd fret, 4 bars, counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we are strumming down on the numbers, up on the ands, and we are playing to a swingy blues 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's 1 bar. 1 bar. So you got 4 bars of that. 1, the 2nd bar, the 3rd bar, the 4th bar. Okay, again, I count the first beat of each bar. I wouldn't say it out loud, I'd say it in my head, but just so you can keep pace, it's like this. I'll count through once and then we'll go into it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4. So that's the first line done. If you move down to the 2nd line, you will notice there is 2 bars of C and then 2 bars of G. So all you do is slide this hand up to the 7th fret like this. You don't have to mute that G string because G is in the chord of C. And you just play 2 bars here. 1, 2. Then slide back. So that middle line again is like this. The 7th fret, G shape, 1, 2, back to G. Again, just the middle line, 2 bars of C, 1. There's the 1st, the 2nd, then back up to G. So now we move on to the 3rd line. It is 1 bar of D, 1 bar of C, 2 bars of G. So we slide down to the 9th fret using the G shape, and if you can mute the string nearest your chin, the G string. If you can't for now, just let it ring till you get the hang of it. So it's 1 bar of D at the 9th, slide back to the 7th 1 bar, then 2 bars of G. So the last line again, 9th fret 1 bar, slide back to the 7th 1 bar, then 2 bars at the G. So if we were to play that song all the way through, it would sound like this. I'll count through once before we start. I'll take it very slowly. Just remember, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and per letter, you see. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2, 3, 4, 2 of C, 1, 2, back to G, 1, 2, D for 1 bar, back to C, back to G for 2 bars. And that way you played the 12 bar blues up the neck. So we'll go for that again. So like I said, we'll go for that again, this time just a little bit quicker. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, C, back to G, D for 1 bar, C for 1 bar, back to G. And that is an easy version of the 12 bar blues playing up the neck on the ukulele. Again, there are many versions of the 12 bar blues. This is just the one I've chosen. And in the next video, we'll be adding a touch more to it to make it sound a little bit better. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more thumbs up we get and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. So until next time, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.